Well, I promised myself that I was not going to hoard and buy things this year that I was not going to use within a certain time frame. But I went to Hobby Lobby today, and to my surprise, there we go. Went to Hobby Lobby and I saw this wonderful red sticker today, and it's something that I've been waiting on pretty much since November, and I'm sure a lot of you have. So for the things that I got, and there are a lot of things on sale, I got selected things, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. So my whole purpose is I want you to get to your Hobby Lobby, start looking for these red tags in the craft section, well, the paper section, so that you can get some of these wonderful things, especially with the tariffs going up and affecting our ability to buy things from like Temu and other places. As everybody else, just wants you to stay informed and know where to go, okay? So the first thing, as I was showing you, this is the 30 sheet. What is this size? This is a 12 by 24, 30 sheet slab of cardstock, and it has 5 colors in each. It was originally, as you saw, $13.99, and I got it for $3.74, and I got several of these packs. Went over there to the sticker section. I think this is an applique or a sticker. I don't know. Let me fix this here. All right, there we go. Got this. It was originally $4.49. Got it for $1.12. These I love. I just absolutely love these. They're originally $5.49. Got them for $1.37. Even when they are 40% off, you've got to know this is still a wonderful deal here. This is on clearance, so this is wonderful here. This is one of my favorites. I'm always buying these. They are $3.99, and they're on sale for 99 cents. Love this pack. Just absolutely love it. They had so many of these 6x6 paper pads. I only got several of these too. So I got this one. It was originally $6.99. I got it for $1.74. Is that something? Yeah. $1.74. I got this one. Really, really pretty. I got this one. It's another 6x6. It was again $6.99. I got it for $1.74. I like this. I'm going to really open this up really, really quick. I didn't want to. I said I wanted to steer away from doing that because it just kind of drags on with some of the time. But, hold on. I'm going to clip this open. This had a lot of really cute sheets that honestly doesn't show that much on the. This doesn't show as well on the cover. But when you have an opportunity to flip through it, you kind of can see that it has some really pretty floral sheets in here. I don't want to go too fast. I'm sorry. I like this a lot. I have a project that I'm getting ready to work on, and I really like this a lot. I'm trying to hold the cardstock is a little heavy here. See if I can lay it down. There. See? It's the best way. There we go. Maybe I should have did that at first. I'm just flipping through it really quick because I don't want this video to be long. I just want you to see these so that you can go and get them. That's really cute. Here's the other one. And these are the 6x6s. This is really cute. Oh, I like that a lot. Hold on. That's cute. Let me just like that a lot. Okay, so I'm just doing a real quick flip through here. Okay, so I got those two. And then I ended up getting some of the paper kits. Got this one. Pull back a little bit so you can see it. Got this one. This is one of my favorite sets of stickers. It was originally $6.99, and I got it for $1 and I think that's 74 cents. I can't really tell when I said 74 or 24, but I got several of these. This is really, really cute. This is called Moody Floral. This is cute. Okay. I got gold and white. This one was $8.99, and it was on sale for $1.74. So this is pretty. I got Uncharted. It was on sale, well, it was originally $6.99, and it was on sale for $1.74. I got this Disco Cowgirl, $6.99, on sale for $1.74. And then I got Winter Wonder. It was $6.99 originally, on sale for $1.74. I went ahead and got it because I said to myself, you know, I can probably start on some of my Christmas projects right before Thanksgiving. I ended up getting, let me open it up. I got, I think it's Del Moody. Hold on. Trying to open this pack up. I got a paper pack. I purposefully did not get a bunch of paper packs because I have a bunch of paper packs. And I watched Michael at Planner Time a few weeks ago, and he got one that was called Ephemera. So I went in there. I spent full price for it. I'm ashamed to say it, but I did. It was so doggone stinking cute, but I got it. And so here is, I think it's Del Moody. It was originally $11.99, and I got several of these for $2.99. I'm going to do a really quick flip through. And forgive me, that cardstock was just a little heavy on the other one. So let me do this. And something about this, it has a masculine and a feminine look to it all together. Background, use it for some backings and different things, but I just kind of liked it, especially the neutralness of it. Okay, I'm just sticking these things here because when I pick them up, I'm just gonna put them to the side. I ended up getting some cardstock. This is the grays. It was originally $14.99, and I got it for $3.74. It is 65 pound, has 100 sheets in it. I got these earth tone cardstock sheets. These are 80 pound. They were $11.99 originally, and they are on sale for $2.99, like that. I got the cardstock pad that has the wood sheets. They are 110 pound. They were originally $10.99, and they are on sale for $2.74. I got this because I can really use this for some backings. I like this a lot. I also got the rose gold foil. I have a lot of this, but when you're using it, you just want it. So I had, this was originally $5.99, and it was $1.49, and I got several of these. So they were still putting stuff on sale. They have a lot of the stickers on sale. They have a lot of the little 6x6 pads on sale. They have a lot of cardstock on sale. They have a lot of all of the wonderful things in that section. But like I said, I purposefully just didn't pick a lot of those things up because I have a lot of them, and I just would start to feel like I'm just hoarding stuff and buying stuff just to hoard it because I still hadn't used what I got. But from me to you, thank you for watching this video. Please go to Hobby Lobby and get these things while you can on sale. Like I said, especially with the tariffs, anything, every bit helps. So once again, thank you for tuning in to Paper Peace. We appreciate it. Good night.